Garlic is well known for its potential health benefits, including its ability to support heart health and reduce cholesterol levels. Some studies have also indicated that garlic might help protect the liver from certain types of damage and support liver function. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, is believed to have these beneficial effects. Mint leaves contain compounds like menthol, which can have a soothing effect on the digestive system. It can be beneficial for digestion and may indirectly support overall liver function by promoting healthy digestion and reducing discomfort. Thyme contains various antioxidants and bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that thyme may help improve liver health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Ingredients: mint, thyme, garlic. Drink 1 glass before bed. But do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.